Hello ladies and gents, I'm just working on my 20th anniversary Corvette, as you can see, taking off the body. What a pretty body, look at that. I am doing some simple upgrades today. I'm replacing the top spring and front end springs as well. This video is just going to go through everything. I am by no means a professional at this, as you can see. I am swapping out bits here. That Walmart kit that I have, I'm telling you, it's great. Big fan. So this video is just to show you how to do what I'm doing here. I'm not reinventing the wheel, just having fun, showing others that this is pretty easy customizing you can do with these little cars, and it's a lot of fun. If you have questions, leave comments, like comments, engage, subscribe, share with your friends, laugh with me, laugh at me. Anyway, it's a new base plate I got. It's really cool. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to stop talking because I will talk all night long. See you later. All right, I had to come back. I was kind of stumped here. It's not that hard, you know? You look at the other one, you come back, you edit your video, you do whatever. Take your time, don't get frustrated. It's easy. Everyone loves a squish test. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And some more squishiness. Look at that. All right, here we're going to jump into that top spring. Good luck. This was one of those moments I had to stop and look at it a couple times and kind of scratch my brain a bunch. But that little C-clip there just pops off the post. Don't have to use a lot of force. It will come off. See my big fingers. Eventually I'm just fumbling around, slide the spring off, good to go. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Look, fancy. It can go on either way. I believe it's bevel on both sides. Don't quote me. I already forgot. But again, take your time. I recommend recording what you're doing so that way if you do have questions, you can go back and look at how you deconstructed it. When I worked on copiers many years ago, I was a Konica Minolta tech. I would take pictures of everything as I tore it apart. Maybe you can do that too. Maybe I should do that. And you know I had to come back in with one last squish test. Yep, I know you're doing it. I watch your videos. We all do it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. See ya!